Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make bubble map chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to make bubble map chart in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click Chart option. Now we can see here many chart. We select the XY scatter. Then select the bubble chart with map. Then click OK. Wait some moment to insert this chart, and we can see here we insert this chart. Then click the chart and go to the quick layout menu and apply the map with chart. Then go to the style drop down menu and apply another style. You can change the color. Click the color option and change the color. Now we can see here we make bubble chart very easily. You can edit this data of this chart. Click right button on our mouse and go to edit data. And we can see here opened a sheet. We change the data of this chart right on this sheet. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.